Hey everyone, welcome back to Bytesector. It's another episode where we sit here in quarantine. We're filming in our studio, and I call it the studio, but it's everything to me. It's the editing station, the home office, the studio, the sets, everything. It's sits beside and I'm not gonna say closet, but the server room because I don't know what else to call it. It's both servers and storage. We're gonna do an unboxing today. I'm very excited about it because I've looked at this brand for years and thought about it and thought about it and thought about it and always picked something more enterprise, or so I thought. And I regret that. So let's figure out what's in this box. Some of you have probably already guessed based on what's written on the side, or if you can see the top here. I can't wait to unbox this for you. I finally went out and bought a Ubiquiti UniFi access point. For those of you who don't know and happen to be watching, UniFi is Ubiquiti's unified brand. Brand of unified products. Maybe that's more accurate. It allows seamless integration across access points, switches, video cameras, soon voice over IP, a whole bunch of things, and it allows cloud management. It's a really well thought out ecosystem. Anyways, I've been looking at their access points for a long time and finally pulled the trigger. I went for nanoHD because it's cheaper. I understand the implications of cheaper. It's got a 2x2 antenna on the 2.4 gigahertz and 4x4 on the 5 gigahertz. I don't have too many devices that use 2.4 gigahertz, so I'm not too concerned about the shortage of antennas there. And price at $238, it's not bad compared to the competition where you have to get NFR partner discount pricing to get it down into the $200 range for something similar. So packaging, it's a beautiful white box, thick, solid. I have to say, right off the top, it reminds me of a Google packaging. Like white box, thick cardboard, thick sides, clear plastic on the outside to seal it. Solid. Compare that to the enterprise competition. This brown box here is what Aruba Networks packages their access points in when they ship them out. That's right. Anyways, we're gonna pull the top off this box and take a look inside because frankly, I'm excited. Whew. No form-fitting insert on the top. So maybe the access point could wander around, I'm not sure. Or maybe it fits so perfectly it can't leave the spot it's in. First and foremost, you see the beautiful access point sitting right up top. You reach in, you pull it out, it's in a plastic shell to hold it still. Very nice and sleek, very thin. Almost like a premium velvety coating on it. Looks very nice. A very subtle Ubiquiti logo in the middle. Round. A very sharp, fine point edge on the edge here where it comes to a point. Don't mind it though, because you're not going to be touching, playing with it, or putting this where your kids are going to reach it when they shouldn't. On the back, we've just got the wall plate mounting bracket, single Ethernet jack, and that's pretty much it. The back is metal, the front is plastic. So we'll put that aside. And we'll put that back in there. Looking deeper, we have a card here. Quick setup. Pull it out. It literally just says the model. Compact 802.11ac Wave 2 access point. And on the back, download the quick start guide. Gives you a QR code. And then tells you how to get started. Basically download the app on your phone. Below that, we have a metal mounting plate. I'm guessing this is maybe for more industrial applications, or if you want stronger mounting, or maybe this is just what you stick against the wall before you mount the plastic plate. I'll have to read into that. Below that, oh my God, this is where we differentiate ourselves from the competition again. And keep in mind, this is $240 all in, retail. So what are you looking at right here? Well, you're looking at a power cable, white, nice Velcro ties to hold it together. And then on this side, this little puppy here is a power over Ethernet injector, which means you can plug your, and I'll just open this up here. You plug your regular network cable from your router or your switch or wherever into one port. You connect it using the included power cable to a power outlet, and the other port, Ethernet port, goes to the access point. And what it does is it injects a power signal into the cable, the network cable, so that the power goes to the access point and powers it up, because there's no power jack on the access point. I mean, I have never seen a PoE injector included with an access point before. So very, very, very classy. I didn't realize when I bought it that this was included. And then below that we get some mounting screws and hardware for putting this thing on a wall. So very, very impressed. I cannot wait to get this thing plugged in, set up. It's going to be a bit of time. I'm in the process of rebuilding the entire Bytesector network here in the house. My existing infrastructure has lived for 10 years. It's getting a bit muddled, cluttered. It's lived through several iterations. In the past, I've had multiple different sites, Active Directories full of crap. I've installed, uninstalled, failed installs of Exchange. It's just messy and breaking and full of errors that don't hinder me, but I'd like to run an error-free environment. So, excuse me. So we're rebuilding. And part of the rebuild is going to be implementing the UniFi platform and replacing our Aruba access points throughout the house. There are 3 of them. I'm hoping to implement a 4th in the garage so that Wi-Fi access outside is just as reliable as it is inside, because right now it's spotty when you're in the driveway. So, and you might be thinking why, but my car uses Wi-Fi to download updates, so it would be nice if it worked reliably. Anyway, that's it. The UniFi nanoHD from Ubiquiti. We will probably not be doing a direct review of this unit unless we get bored, but we'll certainly be mounting it on the ceiling. We'll certainly be doing an overview of the interface and the UniFi controller when we get a chance, and we'll talk about the new environment in another episode. You guys have a great day. Ciao. Thanks for watching today's video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs down. Leave us a comment below letting us know what we can improve for next time. But if you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell beside it so that you get notified the next time we post a video. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.